morning to everyone. Myself Jimansa. I am from 9th class. Now I am telling about present time in first one, simple present. It tells about daily habits, environmental truths, proverbs, ఫీలింగ్స్, ఎమోషన్స్ ఎక్సెట్రా. ఇన్ తెలుగు మనం రోజు చేస్తున్న పనుల గురించి, మన యొక్క ఎమోషన్స్ గురించి, మన యొక్క ఫీలింగ్స్ గురించి చెప్పేదాన్నే సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ అంటాం. దీని యొక్క దిట్స్ పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇస్ subject plus V1 by V5 plus object. Its clue words are everyday, etc. Examples: health is wealth. Proverb: the sun rises in the east. Universal fact: I hate you. Emotions, feelings: I go to temple every day. Pronoun changings: I will use the V1. I subject, go V1, temple object, everyday clue word. When this type of words come in a sentence, it indicates a simple present. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself as Harika. I am from 9th class. Today I would explain about present continuous tense in present time, second one.
Very good.
It tells about the tense which indicates the action or condition happening now. In Telugu మన కళ్ళ ముందు జరిగే పనులన్నీ present continuous tense అని అంటాము. Present continuous tense positive structure: subject plus am, is, are, V4 plus object. Negative structure: subject plus pronoun changing: I am, he, she, it, is, we, you, they, are. Clue words: at present, present continuous tense. Examples: I subject, am according to the structure, explaining, V4, grammar, object. Now clue word. Type of clue word come in a sentence means that we say that present continuous tense. I subject, am according to the structure. Here he will come means is will come. Explaining, V4, grammar, object. Now clue word. Thank you.
Myself as Ruhi Aksha. Now I am going to explain about present perfect tense, which is the third part of the present time. Present perfect tense can be used in many different situations, like it can be used in finished actions, unfinished actions, multiple actions for different times, life experiences, recently completed actions.
ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అనేది ఇలాంటి వాటిలో చాలా చాలా సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎలా అంటే రీసెంట్ గా కంప్లీట్ అయిన యాక్షన్స్ గురించి, లైఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ గురించి, లేకపోతే ఒక యాక్షన్ చాలా సార్లు మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ జరిగితే అలాంటి వాటిలో ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫర్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ ఈజ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ has by have V3 plus object. Negative structure pronoun changings are for I, we, you, they. For I, we, you, they we use have. For he, she, it we use has. The clue words are if these clue words can be seen in any sentence, then the sentence is said to be in present perfect tense. The example for life experience is, have you ever eaten sushi before? This sentence talks about life experiences, so it is in present perfect tense. Recently completed actions. I have just completed my assignment. The actions, the example is, she has lost her wallet. Unfinished actions, I have lived in Dubai since 5 years. I have solved this problem several times. I wrote this example with the help of this structure. The subject have explained is V3, present perfect tense is object, and just now is the clue word. This type of clue words comes in any sentence, then that sentence is present perfect tense.
Good morning everyone, myself Yoshita from class 9. Today I am going to explain about present perfect continuous tense, the fourth tense in present time. It tells about the action which started in the past and still continuing in the present time. ఏదైతే యాక్షన్ పాస్ట్ లో జరిగిందో ఇంకా ప్రెసెంట్ టైం లో కూడా ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ద పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫర్ ప్రెసెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఫర్ ప్రెసెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ద ప్రొనౌన్ చేంజింగ్ ఆర్ I, we, you, they, have been, he, she, it has been. The clue words for present perfect continuous is since, for, the whole week. These are, if you see these clue words in any sentence, it is present perfect continuous. Example, I have been working in this office since 2019. Here I means subject, have been, we wrote it according to the structure. Working V for office, object, since is clue word. Object and have been is we wrote according to the structure, and working is V for object, office is object, and since is a clue word. If these type of clue words come in a sentence means we can say that this is a present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.